How to use mustard oil to get rid of dandruff. Dandruff problem starts due to not taking proper care of hair. In such a situation, you can use mustard oil to get rid of dandruff. Know in detail in the article. Expert opinion. According to Dr. Monica Kapoor, antibacterial and antioxidant properties are found in mustard oil, which removes the problem of dandruff. Mustard oil and curd. A mixture of mustard oil and curd removes the problem of dandruff. For this, take 2 teaspoons of curd in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of mustard oil and mix it well. Now apply this mixture on the hair for 30 minutes. Mustard oil and lemon. Applying mustard oil mixed with lemon removes the problem of dandruff. For this, take 2 spoons of mustard oil in a bowl and add lemon juice to it and apply it on the hair for 40 minutes. Now wash the hair with shampoo after 40 minutes. Mustard oil and aloe vera. Mixing aloe vera gel in mustard oil and applying it on hair removes the problem of dandruff. For this, mix aloe vera gel in mustard oil. Now apply this paste on the hair for 40 minutes. Mustard oil and celery. Applying mustard oil mixed with celery helps in removing the problem of dandruff. For this, take oil in a bowl and heat it by adding celery seeds in it. Now apply the oil on the hair when it cools down. Mustard oil and fenugreek seeds. To remove dandruff, you can use fenugreek seeds in mustard oil. Fenugreek seeds help in strengthening the hair. You can use all these things to get rid of dandruff.